Hello my dear knitters, today I came with a very short video about this lovely edge which I'm doing on my last project. You know that when you do stockinette stitch, and if you close it normally, it will roll, and then I use this edge to avoid this problem, to avoid rolling the stockinette stitch. And look, this is my little sleeve. I've done just a couple of rows of garter, I think. Yeah, I put one row of pearls, one row of knit stitches, one row of pearls. Then I've done 2 rows of knit stitches to make this edge. And as you see, it's not rolling anywhere. You probably don't need to do any pearls, but I just like this edge because it's a little bit thick and nice. And I want to show you, because I'm finishing here and I wanted to pass here fast to show you this little edge. Let's say this my point here, but you will start with all point. I am doing it in rows, and all my knit stitches are on the right position. If you see, the right side of the stitch need to be on the front. If you have stitches, knit stitches looking like this, if you're not working in rows, you just need to take it and turn this side because it's important. Then my stitches are in the right position, then I can proceed. Then look, we will see one stitch here, then one stitch on the lower row. We will use lower row here, and we will go on this stitch here from behind and take this little thread here, this one. Can you see this one? We will take it from behind like this, oh god, like this, and put this way on a needle. And then we will knit both of the stitches together, and this will be our first stitch, but then you do the second one and then pull through, and as I have this one, I just pull this stitch through this one, and that's how we will close in our stitches. And just be sure that you're not squeezing your line, because this can't be very tight, right? Then let me show you one more time. This is your first stitch. This is a right position. That you go on the lower one, you get this one, put it in, do stitch and pull it through, and then you go like this till the end of your row. I hope it was useful. This is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye bye.